Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable Google Assistant voice commands for LEVOIT Core 300S. And to do this we'll need to connect it with a VSync app. I've shown you how to do that in my previous video. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. There's voice commands right here and you can change to Google. Connect it to Google like that. Continue. We'll need to log into our VSync service, so I will do that off camera. Now select your device right here and add it to the room. Pick whichever room you like. Click on done. And now we can go back to the VSync app to learn what commands we can use for it. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's connected. Yep. And here's all of the commands. And we need to, for example, hey Google, turn off the air purifier. Okay, so my Google Assistant is in Polish and I won't be able to do that, but you can change it to English and then it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.